Welcome back to Destination Deca. I'm Adam, and as your travel guide today, I'm excited to unravel the spirit of Raleigh, North Carolina. This isn't just the capital of the Tar Heel state. This is a city designed for discovery, from ancient fossils to cutting-edge arenas, sprawling parks, vibrant arts, and retail havens. With a passionate local community and a vibe that balances tradition with innovation, Raleigh offers experiences for every taste and energy level. In this episode, we'll take you through the essentials: jaw-dropping museums, scenic outdoor escapes, family-friendly playgrounds, dazzling shopping districts, and unique local flavors. Along the way, I'll share fun facts, trip tips, and insider advice for each spot, so whether you're planning a big trip or exploring your own backyard, you won't miss a thing. Ready to dive in? Now, let's jump into the top 10 things to do in Raleigh, North Carolina. Number 10, North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences. First up is the North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences, a science lover's dream and the most visited museum in the state. This massive, 4-story complex in downtown Raleigh is more than just a collection of fossils and bones. It's an immersive, hands-on adventure into Earth's history and the natural world. Fun facts. The NC Museum of Natural Sciences is the largest natural history museum in the Southeast and the oldest established museum in North Carolina, dating to 1879. It draws over 1 million visitors annually and features more than 1.7 million specimens, including some only found here. The star exhibit, Acro, is the only skeleton of Acrocanthosaurus, the terror of the South, on display in the world. Trip tips. Admission is free for the general collection, but some special exhibits and the WRAL 3D Theater require tickets. Check the event calendar for rotating exhibits, nocturnal by nature, nights, and live science demonstrations. The SECU Daily Planet, a jaw-dropping 70-foot globe theater, is the photo op spot and hosts immersive shows. Hungry? Stop at the Daily Planet Cafe inside the museum for fresh, local fare. The museum's Nature Exploration Center and Nature Research Center are connected via skywalk and offer everything from walk-through butterfly gardens to interactive labs and live vet exams. Yes, you're allowed to ask the staff questions. The prehistoric North Carolina Gallery features a 1.5 million-year-old sloth fossil, meteorites, and the mountains to the sea diorama that traces state ecosystems. The museum is also affiliated with the Smithsonian Institution, ensuring permanent world-class quality and fresh exhibits. Number 9, Pullen Park. Raleigh's timeless playground. Our next destination is Pullen Park, the oldest public park in North Carolina and the 5th oldest operating amusement park in the U.S. Since 1887, Pullen Park has been a magical place for families, locals, and visitors of all ages to play, relax, and enjoy quintessential Southern fun. 10. Fun facts. Pullen Park covers 66 acres just west of downtown, next to NC State's campus. It's home to a historic 1911 Denzel carousel, one of only about 200 remaining antique carousels in the country. The park features the C.P. Huntington miniature train, historic caboose, pedal boat rides on Lake Howell, and multiple themed playgrounds. Trip tips. Entry is free. Ride tickets are just $2 each and can be used on the carousel, train, pedal boats, or kiddie boat rides. Children under 1 ride free with an adult. Check out the Pullen Cafe for healthy organic snacks and lunch, or bring your own picnic for the shaded tables and shelters. Weekdays and mornings are less crowded. Weekends can get busy, especially in summer. History and fun details. Founded by philanthropist Richard Stanhope Pullen, the park was envisioned as a gathering space for everyone, with a layout designed for recreation and connection. In its early days, it even had a small zoo and Raleigh's very first swimming pool. Theater in the park, located within the grounds, is famous for its annual production of A Christmas Carol, a local institution. Number 8, Lenovo Center, formerly PNC Arena. Sports, concerts, and big-time events. Coming in at number 8 is the Lenovo Center, Raleigh's ultimate indoor arena and home to the NHL's Carolina Hurricanes and NC State Wolfpack basketball. Recently renamed, formerly PNC Arena, the Lenovo Center brings world-class concerts, sporting excitement, and once-in-a-lifetime events to the heart of the city. Fun facts. Lenovo Center can seat up to 20,000 people for concerts and over 18,700 for hockey games. The loudest house in the NHL. Since opening in 1999, it has hosted Stanley Cup Finals, the NCAA men's basketball tournament, and top-tier acts like Beyoncé, Metallica, and Taylor Swift. The arena is set to undergo major renovations with new luxury seating, upgraded concourses, and a new entertainment district under construction by 2026. Trip tips. Parking costs can be steep, $40 to $70 event day. So consider alternatives. Park in nearby office lots after hours, use ride shares, or check if buses are available. Sight lines are excellent throughout, but seats up high can get tight for legroom. Concessions feature local favorites. Don't miss the pulled pork nachos. Events and atmosphere. Catch a raucous Hurricanes game for an unmatched energy or watch NCAA basketball with top college teams. Family-friendly events abound. Disney on Ice, WWE, monster truck rallies, and touring Broadway shows all make stops here. Concerts routinely sell out and bring in some of the biggest talent worldwide. Number 7 North Carolina State Capitol. Greek Revival grandeur and living history. At number 7 we slow things down for a taste of North Carolina's deep history at the North Carolina State Capitol. Completed in 1840, this is one of the best preserved examples of Greek Revival architecture in America and has served as the seat of state government for nearly 2 centuries. Fun facts. Raleigh itself was planned and built as a capital city, with Union Square at the center, and the Capitol is at its very heart. The building was entirely hand-built from local granite and is designated a National Historic Landmark. Statues on the grounds include 3 U.S. presidents, Jackson, Polk, and Johnson, the only capital in the country to do so. Trip tips. Free self-guided tours are available Monday through Saturday, with guided tours at 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. on Saturdays. Check out the Rotunda statue of George Washington, a replica of the 1821 Canova original lost in a fire. The Capitol is a popular site for photo ops, events, and the annual lighting of the state's holiday tree. Number 6 Lake Johnson Park and Dorothea Dix Park. Nature, trails, and outdoor adventure. Next, we have a 2-for-1 at number 6, Lake Johnson Park and Dorothea Dix Park. 2 of Raleigh's premier green spaces, each offering its own unique kind of outdoor fun. Lake Johnson Park. Fun facts. Over 500 acres total, with a tranquil 150-acre lake at its heart. Features paved and natural surface trails, more than 4.3 miles, kayak and paddleboard rentals, accessible fishing docks, and fitness zones. Birdwatchers love it. You might spot herons, ospreys, and even eagles. Trip tips. Rent kayaks or paddleboards online via Wake Rack Lockers or bring your own, with launch permit. The Thomas G. Crowder Woodland Center offers environmental classes, nature walks, and eco-programs all year long. Family picnic pavilions are available to rent, and kids' playgrounds can keep little ones busy for hours. Dorothea Dix Park. Fun facts. Former State Hospital campus, now being transformed into one of America's largest new urban parks at 308 acres. The master plan envisions meadows, gardens, playgrounds, sports fields, art spaces, and the restored Rocky Branch Creek. The Play Plaza, a 17-acre wonderland with fountains, unique play structures, and community spaces, is already open. Trip tips. Picnic at Big Field with jaw-dropping views of Raleigh's skyline, fly a kite, or stroll the walking trails. The sunflower bloom in July is one of Raleigh's most Instagrammed moments. Together, Lake Johnson Park and Dix Park highlight Raleigh's love for the outdoors and provide the green spaces that make city life healthier and more joyful. Number 5 North Carolina Museum of Art and Ann and Jim Goodnight Park. At number 5 we find the North Carolina Museum of Art, NCMA. A gem that blends global masterpieces with innovative modern design. If you think Raleigh is just about science and state history, think again. The NCMA's permanent collection covers 5,000 years and stretches across 2 striking buildings and a 164-acre sculpture park. Fun facts. Established in 1924, the NCMA was the first major art museum in the U.S. created with state funds. hence its motto, the People's Collection. The museum's holdings include ancient Egyptian artifacts, Renaissance painting, European Impressionists, 20th century African American and Native works, and contemporary installations. The Anne and Jim Goodnight Museum Park is the largest art park in the country, with 4.7 miles of walking, biking trails surrounded by giant commissioned sculptures. Trip tips. Admission to the permanent galleries and park is free. Special exhibitions may require tickets. Don't miss Gyre by Thomas Sayer, the iconic earthen rings that make for mind-boggling photos, or Yeppahein's Mirror Labyrinth, a fun favorite for kids. The park is a local go-to for picnics, sunset views, and the spectacular summer sunflower fields. The West Building, with its glass walls and light-filled galleries, is the highlight, especially for the Monet, Picasso, and Rodin pieces. For art lovers, nature devotees, and anyone who loves beautiful places, NCMA offers hours, or even a full day, of inspiration and relaxation. Number 4 State Farmers Market. Local flavors and agrarian heritage. At number 4 is a Raleigh classic, the North Carolina State Farmers Market. Open year-round and sprawled over nearly 75 acres, this is where the city's agricultural soul comes to life. Smell the barbecue, taste North Carolina peaches, and shop from dozens of family-run stalls bursting with seasonal produce, cheeses, honey, jams, flowers, and more. Fun facts. The market began in 1955 and has since grown into one of the state's largest, with 30,000 square feet of vendor space. Each summer, traditions like Watermelon Day and Peach Day bring contests, free tastings, and a visit from the Watermelon Queen. Many of the region's best restaurants are regular customers here. The produce is that good. Trip tips. Go early to score the best produce, plants, and baked goods. Enjoy a traditional Southern breakfast or lunch at the Market Restaurant, Real Biscuits, or the Star, or try the NC Seafood Restaurant for classic Calabash-style fried seafood. Pets are not allowed inside vendor buildings but are welcome in outdoor areas. Free parking and easy access from I-40 make visiting a breeze. Number 3 JC Raulston Arboretum. A living botanical rainbow. Our number 3 spot is the J.C. Raulston Arboretum, an internationally acclaimed, 10-acre teaching garden with one of the largest species collections in the Southeast 28. Administered by NC State University, this living lab is open daily, and always free, for anyone to wander among rare plants, dazzling seasonal color, and tranquil garden rooms. Fun facts. The Arboretum was founded in 1976 by Dr. J.C. Raulston, whose philosophy was plan and plant for a better world. There are more than 6,000 different plant taxa from over 50 countries, spread across a dozen themed gardens: Japanese garden, white garden, lath house, rose garden, and more. The spectacular redbud and maple collections, nearly 200 varieties each, make for striking spring and fall walks. Trip tips. Download or grab a free map to build your own walking tour. There are beautiful vignettes and discoveries in every corner. The annual fall plant sale is famous statewide. Come early for the best selection. The Education Center hosts workshops, kids' nature classes, and seasonal botanical events. Dogs, on leashes, strollers, and picnics are welcome. Please leave the flowers for everyone to enjoy. Guided tours. Check the Arboretum's website for schedules or special events. Whether you're a home gardener or just love soaking in beauty, Raulston Arboretum offers inspiration and serenity in the heart of the city. Number 2 Crabtree Valley Mall in North Hills. Raleigh's retail and entertainment giants. Get your shopping bags ready. Number 2 is a joint entry, Crabtree Valley Mall in North Hills. These twin titans are Raleigh's go-to destinations for shopping, great dining, entertainment, and that city-powered buzz. Crabtree Valley Mall. Fun facts. North Carolina's largest indoor mall, 1.3 million square feet, 200-plus stores. Crabtree opened in 1972 and keeps reinventing itself. Anchors include Macy's and Belk, and you'll find everything from Apple and Lego to local specialty shops. A $290 million renovation is underway, adding modern touches, food halls, and event spaces. Trip tips. Arrive early, especially on weekends, parking can get tight. North Hills. Fun facts. Part open air, part indoor, North Hills is both a shopping, dining hub and a bustling community center. From high-end boutiques to Target, from yoga studios to bowling, there's something for everyone. Seasonal outdoor events include concerts, yoga on the green, art festivals, and a winter wonderland with skating. Trip tips. Free garage parking. Or take Go Raleigh Transit, Route 8. Try Cowfish Sushi Burger Bar for one of Raleigh's most original meals, or Level 7 Rooftop Bar for skyline views. The Commons is a great place to relax, let kids play, or enjoy some people watching between shopping sprees. Events. Check the North Hills calendar before you go, there's always something happening. Whether you want to shop, eat, catch live music, or just soak up the energy of Raleigh's modern lifestyle, Crabtree and North Hills are your go-to spots. Number 1 Frankie's Fun Park. Raleigh's ultimate playland for all ages. And finally, in our coveted number 1 spot, Frankie's Fun Park, the place where families, friends, and thrill-seekers escape for unbeatable, all-ages amusement. Located near Briar Creek, Frankie's isn't just a fun park, it's a Raleigh institution. Fun facts. Frankie's spans more than 40 acres packed with 3 mini golf courses, go-kart tracks, bumper boats, batting cages, laser tag, a spinning coaster, drop zone, XD dark ride, and a state-of-the-art arcade. Open late every night in summer, Frankie's is all about maximizing your fun, rain or shine, all year round. From company team building to birthday parties to date nights, there's truly something for everyone. Trip tips. Admission is free. Buy a reloadable card for attractions, games, with prices ranging from $3, batting cage, to $10, mini golf. Attractions have height or age restrictions, so check ahead, especially for the youngest kids. The indoor arcade is a great escape on hot or rainy days, but the outdoor tracks are the star in good weather. Frankie's restaurant has a full menu and bar, outside food isn't allowed. Family tips. Arrive earlier on weekdays for smaller crowds. Security is ramped up on weekends and nights. Restrooms and facilities are generally clean and well serviced. Save on rides with combo deals or group packages if celebrating something big. Bonus stops. If you want to make your Raleigh experience even more memorable, don't skip these two. Bonus 1. Marbles Kids Museum located downtown. Marbles is the place for interactive STEM, art, and play adventures, perfect for kids under. Bonus 2. Village District, formerly Cameron Village, a historic shopping and dining neighborhood with indie bookstores, trendy shops, and some of Raleigh's best brunch spots. The first planned shopping center in the southeast, it's full of charm and photo-worthy corners. Wow, what a ride! That's the Destination Deca guide to the top 10 things to do in Raleigh, North Carolina, with a few extra treats on the side. Did your favorite make the list? Tell me in the comments which one you're planning to visit first, or if you have your own Raleigh recommendations. If you got value from today's guide, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dive destination videos, and ring the bell so you never miss an episode. Your support helps us bring you more in-depth local favorites from across the globe. Planning a trip to Raleigh? Check out the links in the description below for detailed maps, official websites, and special discount offers at select attractions. And as always, keep traveling, keep discovering, and keep making every day a Destination Deca day. See you in the next adventure.